What is the most pressing issue facing humanity today? This is a question that has been asked time and time again, and the answer is constantly evolving. From climate change to social justice, there are a myriad of issues that are vying for our attention. However, when we take a step back and consider the root causes of these problems, one issue stands out above the rest: our relationship with ourselves and with each other. At the core of every issue facing humanity today is a fundamental lack of empathy and understanding. We see this in the way we treat our planet, exploiting its resources without thought for the consequences. We see it in the way we treat each other, perpetuating systems of oppression and inequality that benefit a select few at the expense of the many. And we see it in the way we treat ourselves, with self-care and self-compassion often taking a back seat to productivity and success. So, what can we do to address this pressing issue? It starts with recognizing that we are all interconnected, that the choices we make as individuals have a ripple effect on those around us and on the planet as a whole. We must learn to see beyond our differences and embrace our shared humanity, recognizing that we all have the capacity for love, compassion, and understanding. This means taking a hard look at the systems and structures that perpetuate inequality and working to dismantle them from the inside out. It means reimagining our relationship with the planet and taking bold action to protect and preserve it for future generations. And it means cultivating a sense of empathy and compassion in our own lives, starting with how we treat ourselves and extending that kindness to those around us. This is not an easy task, nor is it one that can be accomplished overnight. But by committing ourselves to this work, we can begin to build a more just and equitable world, one where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and flourish. It all starts with a willingness to look inward, to confront our own biases and assumptions, and to embrace the power of human connection.